he didn't come off as the like what you think of an attorney. You know, a lot of people have that preconceived notion of an attorney is going to be a shark, you know, kind of cutthroat guy. But when it gets to court, he's cutthroat in a very polite way. You know, and he says, this is the law, this is how it's interpreted. To me, the fear was the legal arena. You know, you're thinking, what's all this mean? How's it going to affect me, short term, long term? You know, when they start filing these filings, you're starting to hear terms you've never heard before, like demurs and injunctions and sidebars to, you know, to go speak to the judge. Dick explains it step by step as you go through it, so that you're now, it's the fear of the unknown kind of goes away, and he makes you feel comfortable. He got an expert about car crashes and impacts, like a physicist, and this guy comes in and he's got science and how many G forces we took to the back of our heads, and the amount of mass of a 32,000-pound cement truck. They do all the mathematical calculations, and all that is prepared in reports, and he, you know, gets the top guy to do it. We were in court, and every morning, you know, we would see the jet fly by, landing at San Jose Airport from the Chicago lawyers that were coming into town to go up against Dick Alexander on our case. Every morning that jet flew by, and you see him on the landing pattern from the courtroom. And then a couple minutes later, the limo would bring these Chicago lawyers. And I couldn't believe they were spending that kind of money to fly these lawyers in from Chicago every day. They were afraid of Dick. And Dick Alexander basically took those guys apart piece by piece by piece. And he says, that's the way we do law west of the Pecos. I remember him saying that to the opposing attorney, and you could see they were very concerned. And he entertains the jury, and he teaches them. And you feel like you're really being taken care of, and there's no moment where the air is so thick you can cut it, where it's like, he's not sure what he's going to do, or he's confused. It just doesn't happen with Dick. Dick has a way of getting you to laugh and bringing the levity up a little bit and relaxing people. And that's what I mean about entertaining in the courtroom. He teaches and entertains at the same time. And you don't get that feeling like the judge is on this tower here and he's just going to rule over everything and you're not going to get justice or whatever. Dick knows how to just keep it all in order.